guide you through how to turn off the App Store password on your iPhone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Settings app, then tap on your name at the top to access your Apple ID settings. From there, select Media and Purchases. Then tap Password Settings. You'll see options for requiring a password for purchases. Under Free Downloads, toggle off Require Password so you can install apps without entering it each time. If you want even fewer interruptions, you can also adjust the settings under Purchases and in-app purchases by choosing Always Require or Require after 15 minutes, depending on your preference. Once done, exit the settings and your changes will be saved automatically. Keep in mind, turning this off is convenient but may reduce security, especially if others use your phone. So only disable it if you're comfortable.